Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Black color, pink color, red color, yellow color, blue color, sky blue color, green color, orange color, violet color, brown color. Let's learn alphabets. Alphabet A. A for aeroplane, A for avocado. Alphabet B. B for brinjal, B for banana. C. Alphabet C. C for carrot, C for cat. Alphabet D. D for dog, D for dragon. E. E for elephant. E for eyes. F. F for fox. F for furniture. G. G for goat. G for gold. H. H for hospital. H for house. I. I for ink. I for insects. J. J for jam. J for jelly. K. K for king. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for mouse. N. N for nose. N for nail. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for soap. S for soup. T. T for taxi. T for tomato. U. U for union. U for unique. V. V for van. V for vulture. W. W for wall. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for x-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yak. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zinc. Numbers. 1. O-N-E 1. W O 2. 3 T H R E E 3. 4 F O U R 4. F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 1 0 10 1 0 10 T E N 10. Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.